guys, it's Kugli again with another video, and this time I've got one of those unboxing videos because, well, I've ordered a lot of things and this is one of them. I've been really excited about this thing and it just arrived and I have been waiting for this. Well, if you have seen the title, you already know what this is, so let's get it started. So guys, if you are not familiar, well, this is the one which I bought. This has a lithium-ion battery, so I'm pretty sure you already know, probably know what this is. Packaging is pretty basic, nothing special. This is, I bought this thing as part of the Amazon Great Indian Shopping Festival or whatever it's called. There were a lot of deals with it and I was actually pretty decently surprised with all the deals which it had. It was still expensive, but better than what I would have paid if I didn't have the deal. So there you have it. So this is the one which it just came up, and let's open this up. Let's see what this is. Okay, so there is the outer packaging out. Here is the packaging. Wow, okay, it's in a bazillion different languages. Here it is. Here is the thing which I bought, which is the Backbeats Pro 2 wireless, extended wireless for travel and work, which I am probably not sure what the fuck that is, but anyways, here it is. This is the headphone which I bought. I've been meaning on buying a proper headphone, not an earphone. I already have an earphone which I use, which is the Sony what was it called, the noise cancelling one, which I got with my Xperia Z3. I wanted an earphone with a lot of battery life, and this is the main kahuna about this. 24 hours of playback, and I have heard a lot of good things about it. This is one of those budget kings of headphones and all that, so I really like that. Let's get started. Let's open this up. Apart from that, in the packaging, you have a picture of this, you have another picture of it, you have English up to 24 hours of wireless music. That's pretty cool to see. Active noise cancellation, it does have active noise cancellation, which is another thing which I really like. I do a lot of flight travel, and well, I really require that. Cushion ear cup, sensors, pulse, and it does have a lot of technology which I really like. Folds flat, but it does not fold inwards, which is another problem which I've seen with this one, but I can live with it though. So yeah. Oh, it actually ripped up this thing. Man, packaging could have been better. Nope, it's ruined. Packaging should be better. Okay, open it up. Designed in Santa Cruz, California. Now, if you don't know Plantronics, it's not a very heavy name in headphones, I guess, but Plantronics have been making headphones that is Bluetooth. Their specialty is Bluetooth. The packaging is actually pretty good. The presentation at least is pretty nice to see. The packaging. Now, Plantronics has been making headphones for a while now, and a long time. So here it is. Okay, this thing, okay. This was supposed to be in here, but that I guess got ripped up or something like that. Not really sure. So here it is. It is sealed, so that's pretty nice to see. As I've already said, the packaging or the presentation is amazing. Here is the headphone itself in a soft carrying bag, which is, wow, that is padded like hell. It is not a hard box or anything, but the padding is pretty substantial. Okay, I can actually see myself using this for other storages because it is black, matte black everything. So let's open the main thing. Okay, is this pull tab? No, it is just a hook. Okay, you can hook it up on your bag and travel with it. So not really sure if that's a good idea because people will be stealing that, but you have an option. Okay, first things first, you have a booklet or a thing which you can read if you are into reading. I'm into reading, just manuals and stuff. So yeah, get start guide in a bazillion different languages, which is pretty cool for people who don't know one language or anything. Anyways, there is this thing. If you are someone who wants that, it's there. I'm gonna toss it aside for now, just for your information. Apart from that, okay, okay, this has two compartments. So yeah, that's the thing. It has two compartments. One compartment has the headphone. This is the charging cable, which is pretty nice. It is a mini USB charging cable, not a USB Type C. I would have liked to have USB Type C, but this is quite an old headphone. So that's how it is. You also have a 3.5 adapter jack, which if you are low on power and if you want to run your music through your 3.5 jack, you do have that. I mean, with the advancement of USB Type-C and the removal of 3.5 jacks, you might not be able to use this anymore. So that's gonna be a thing of the relic. So yeah, apart from that, that is it in the the extra compartment which is there. But man, this is felt. I mean, it's one of the softest. Someone must have shaved a puppy to make that. So here you go, that is the headphone itself, and it looks pretty good, right? It actually does look pretty premium. Okay, it comes with all those things. So here is the headphone. It does have plastic and all that, which I'll have to look into and change on. Here is the dial stuff with the headphones things. Okay, oh okay, this is a spring-loaded dial, which I'm not really sure. I have not really researched a lot into it. I know what this thing is, and I think I ordered black, and I'm not sure if this is the black version. I mean, I don't know what tan version is because it looks pretty tan to me, or brown to me. Anyways, this is the headphone. It's quite bulky. As you can see, the cups are pretty big, but to be honest, I am okay with having cups this big. Wow, okay, if you can see that, if you don't know which one goes on your left or right ear, you will probably know when using this. So yeah, that is there. Let me just keep that aside for now. And man, the compartment, this is, I mean, what is this, unicorn fur? Whatever this thing is, it's soft, and it's gonna protect your headphones from scratches, of course. Not sure if it'll protect it from falls or anything, but I mean, scratches is good enough. So you have the Plantronics logo here and here, pretty cool. There you have it. Quick look, it's gonna be pretty good. I'm going to use, this has the Bluetooth mode and the, okay, that's the power button. I don't want to turn it on right now. Just have this, okay, this is a multi-function button, which is pretty cool. It has this plastic with the wood finish on it. Not really sure. I haven't made up my mind if it is tacky or cool, but anyways, it has the active noise cancellation mode here, so you can enable that. And it also has something called the open listening mode, which will transfer the outside noise through the microphone onto your ears if you're wearing the headphone, which is pretty cool in a situation where, I don't know, you're waiting for your flight and you are hearing an announcement. So that is pretty nice to see. So yeah, it will fold like this, and you can, I guess you can pretty much travel with this like this. I'm not sure if that's going to be a good idea or not. Yeah, this is probably steel inside, and yeah, okay, it does have a kind of a rattle. I'm not sure where the rattle is coming from. Probably, I'm not sure where the rattle is from, but I will be looking into it, and I will see what the situation is and how this is going to function properly. So yeah, that is it, guys. I just want to show you guys my cool goodies, and this is not the end of it. There are a few more things going on. I actually missed out on a few of them because I got my hard disk, I got my thumb drives, I got a lot of things. I got those things, I got that thing, which I'm not sure if you are able to see, but that is a hard drive reader which I got for a steal of a price, which is pretty cool. So I have been looking at that, and right beside that there's a welding helper which I've been using. That the pink bottle you see, that's alcohol, that is rubbing alcohol, because I've been changing heat sinks. I wanted to make a video of all of those, but I mean, those were really important things which I wanted to do without any distraction, so didn't bother with that. But anyways, that is the thing. That is it about this video then. Hope you guys will stay tuned for more unboxings which I bought stuff. Hopefully that'll be a surprise. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that. So yeah, I guess how much is it about the video then. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.